Welcome to another video session on Yusuf Anobekun's channel. On today, we'll be talking about the best platforms to buy your domain and host your website. Notes, I've been using these two platforms for the past 6 to 7 years now. I've been using the domain platform from 2016 while I've been using the hosting from 2015. And from the hosting, I've gotten 4 accounts, and all the hosting accounts are unlimited. I've hosted countless of domains, countless of websites, and I've never for once have issues of downtime or something or the likes. Now, sometimes last week, or a couple of weeks back, a popular hosting platform got hacked or got infested with malicious sites, with malicious files that various people had issues with it, and it did not really help them because they had to make do with what they have, which is their business had to be stopped, or some even had to pay for unbudgeted expenses just to be able to move their business from that particular host to another host. So that prompted me to, like, let me share this platform I've been using with you, and it is very good. So on today's topic, which is top platforms to use to host your WordPress sites. WordPress is the most popular CMS, which is content management system to use to design your stuff, put your business out there. There are various other ones like Joomla and every other ones, but if you want a platform that helps you to get started very fast without much complications, let me show you. The first one you want to do is you want to get a domain name, definitely. Now, so that you don't have any hiccups of maybe you don't have a dollar card and the likes, the platform I use is Domain King. DomainKing.ng has been in Nigeria for God knows how long, and as you can see, I've been using them from 2016, and this is even one this, as you can see, 2014. So now, this I've been using this platform since 2014, and I've never for once had issues whereby I have to be like, please, where's my domain and the likes. And the platform is very easy to use. You come in, register. Note, when you register through my link, you get some bonuses as well in the description below. Now, when you register on the platform, search for your domain name. They have most of the popular extensions that you might need, and you can get domains for as cheap as anything. I believe I still got a domain name recently for as low as under 2,000 naira. So that is that about this one, and you can get started registering now and start using the domain. There's no waiting period. Let's verify. No, everything is done automatically. You make your payment, you get access to it. And the next one, the hosting I've been using is InterServer. Yes, you have seen InterServer everywhere. These people have the best. I can't say for any other one because I've been with some other ones whereby they just yank off my domain name and my hosting and came up with one ridiculous stories like that. Now, this hosting helps you with a very good support system. Even if your website has issue as midnight, which has happened to me one time like that. I had some policy violations with their platform, and I just called them midnight in Nigerian time, and they sorted it out for me, and my site was back up immediately. Now, why am I sharing this? They have the best support system. Their platform is truly unlimited. There are some people, there are some platforms that they will tell you they are unlimited and will limit you with something, maybe file size and the likes. They are truly unlimited because I've been using them, and I can tell you that I've introduced some couple of people to their platform as well, and they've not had any issue to complain. And some of the things they can also help you with is probably you want to move your domain, you want to move your website from one platform to their platform. It helps you very well. And as you can see, you can even get started with them with as low as $2.50 per month. And you can host anything from standard hosting. As you can see, they have all these stuffs that you can use for them. And another thing I'll tell you is, for your business safety, it's not advisable to buy both your domain and hosting from the same platform. Now let me tell you why. If you buy your domain and hosting from the same platform, if you end up having sort of like issue, you are held to a ransom. But if you buy your domain in, let's say, Domain King, like I do, and you buy your hosting here, so even if a particular domain is having issue, you can easily just buy another domain and move all the file details from that initial domain to the next one, because you will still have access to the cPanel. But if your domain and hosting is on the same platform, you tend to just shoot yourself short in the leg, and you don't really want that. Now, after you've gotten your business set up on a WordPress site, definitely you want to promote your product, you want to do your stuff. You can reach out to me. I can help you set up and run your Facebook adverts very well. You can watch this video to get a an understanding of what it is. Or you can visit my site at sheson.me, whereby you can see some of the past campaign I've run and some of the previous platforms, businesses, and the likes I've worked with. Now, why am I doing this? Aside the fact that most businesses have been misinformed when it comes to Facebook advert, I can run a consultation session with you, look at your business, tell you where you are running short, and help you accordingly. All you just have to do is shoot me an email that is on this video, or you can easily go to my site, fill in the form, and I will get in touch with you when I get it. Now, thank you, and see you in my next video.